Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I share with you how to clear the YouTube history in your mobile phone. So okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to YouTube application in your mobile phone and go to the upper right side on the screen, click the profile picture, and profile picture, click your channel. Okay guys, in your channel, go to the upper right side on the screen, click the three dot and click setting. And setting, find the history and privacy, click this. And history, you will see the clear search history, click this. Okay guys, your YouTube search history will be clear from all your YouTube apps on all devices. Your video recommendation will be reset but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. To learn more, click visit my activity. So okay guys, to clear your history, all you have to do is click the button clear search history. Okay guys, search history clear. So that's it guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.